Hey guys, it's Alicia here again. I thought I would do a Weight Watcher dessert that I love and have done for years now. It is really simple. It comes together in like 15 minutes and it is delicious. It's definitely a whole lot less calories than your traditional dessert, but it still packs a ton of flavor and it's just a really satisfying dessert. So the first thing you're gonna need is an angel food cake. Now I made this one just from a box, super simple. If you don't want to make one, you can buy a pre-made angel food cake. Next, you're going to need 2 containers of Cool Whip. Now to keep this really low calorie, you need the fat-free Cool Whip, but I went to 3 different stores and they either were out or did not carry it. So I finally just gave up and got the Cool Whip Light. So this will affect the points, but when I do the points for it, I'm gonna do it for fat-free because that's what I normally use for this. 1.5 cups of skim milk, a package of sugar-free, fat-free butterscotch jello, and 8 fun-size Butterfingers. And that is all there is to this. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to take your pudding and your milk, and you're just going to whisk this together. Once you've got that all whisked together, you're going to fold in your 2 containers of Cool Whip. Until it looks about like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna just set this aside. Next thing you want to do is you want to take your Butterfingers and you want to put them in a Ziploc bag. And then you're gonna just take a rolling pin and break them all up. Like that. Okay, now you're gonna take your angel food cake and you're gonna just rip this up into bite-sized pieces. Okay, I've got that all ripped up into little pieces. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a 9x13 pan and I'm gonna layer half of this on the bottom of it. Okay, now I'm gonna take half of my whipped mixture and put that on top. Okay, now I'm gonna sprinkle half of my Butterfingers on the top, and then I'm gonna just repeat the same step. The cake, whipped mixture, and then Butterfingers again. And here's what it looks like when it is done. So you want to let this refrigerate for probably a couple hours before you actually eat it. But it is one of my favorite Weight Watcher desserts. You get so much flavor out of this with minimal calories. And I don't know the Weight Watcher points off the top of my head, but I will recalculate this recipe and I will put the points on the screen. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I am having a piece of this right now, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like inside. Like I said, this is so good. It's just got so much flavor and not a whole ton of calories, relatively speaking. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you on the next one.